I remember waiting for almost an hour. And then when this doctor came in, he was so very smug. Proceeded to tell me the only path to treatment was surgery. He just made me feel very angry.
When patients like Crystal are diagnosed with cancer, they experience many emotions: fear, disbelief, sadness, hope, anger. Patients are looking for help from a doctor to illuminate all the available paths and the pros and cons of each path. But research shows that often in these interactions, doctors make assumptions, and sometimes they don't ask patients what they want for their treatment. Unfortunately, this happens more often when patients are Black or a different race than their doctor. We need to do better. That's why we're creating a survey to help empower patients in clinic and improve communication with doctors.
Right now, although the patient and the doctor can have a discussion, there is less emphasis on what the patient would prefer.
We'll ask 200 patients with breast cancer in Chicago about their preferences around cancer care. The standard treatment is a 1-year course of medicine, but 6 months of the same medication might be just as good. This shorter treatment could lower costs and save people from worse side effects. But what do patients value? Lower costs, more certainty that the treatment will work?
How far away does someone live from where they get treatment? What plans do they have, if any, for 8 months from now?
The answers we get will help us understand what patients value. We'll then deliver that information to doctors and help them work these values into conversations around treatment options. This shift can elevate the patient into a partner making decisions about their care.
Patients have something that is critically important for us to know. They're experts in their own lived experience. And it's important that we, as clinical providers, look to receive that information and value that information.
Next, we plan to scale this tool to other cancers and diseases.